Hi, it's Dave KONSOER with an on-demand product spotlight. We welcome a new species of Verbena to the Proven Winners program with Cake Pops Pink and Cake Pops Purple, two innovative Verbena rigida varieties. Both of these plants are ideal for hot and humid climates and are verbenas that will not cycle out of flower during the heat of the summer. They are extremely drought tolerant but can handle regular moisture, making their ideal use as a component in container recipes. The habits of Cake Pops Pink and Cake Pops Purple is semi-upright, spreading filler plants with clusters of flowers at the end of each branch, making them best grown in larger containers and in grab-and-go recipes. Cake Pops Pink has light pink flowers, with Cake Pops Purple having lavender purple blossoms that attract hummingbirds and butterflies, but are deer resistant because of their sandpaper-like texture to the foliage.